Also tonight, an apartment complex explodes in Dayton and 2 people are taken to the hospital.
The Dayton Fire Department says it happened just before 2:20 this morning on Parnell Avenue. 10 News reporter Whitney Williams was on the scene where crews are cleaning up and assessing the damage.
Crews from Centerpoint Energy, Dayton Housing Assessment and Dayton Water have been here at 59 Parnell Avenue for several hours. Now, if you take a look behind me, this was actually once a 4-unit residential apartment building. And as you can see, a significant part of the front portion of this particular structure has been damaged. Now, I spoke with one neighbor who lives a street over, and she told me that she could feel the effects of the explosion when it happened.
Never experienced anything like that before, and I thought, well, what the heck was that? This huge explosion rattled my entire house, 2-story house. I thought the front window was actually going to blow out.
The Dayton Fire Department responded to Parnell Avenue at 2:19 on Tuesday morning after a 911 call reported a possible explosion and structure fire. Fire officials say a 1-story, 4-unit apartment building was heavily damaged, particularly towards the front of the structure where part of it had collapsed. They also rescued 2 people from the building who were taken to a local hospital. Crews from various departments stayed on site throughout the day working to assess the damage and contain it. Meanwhile, residents of the apartment complex were left trying to salvage their belongings and make sense of the damage. The apartment complex sat between 2 larger structures, and Dayton fire officials say those surrounding structures also sustained damage from the explosion. Dayton Fire is still investigating the cause of this explosion, and we will continue to update you as we learn more. In Dayton, Whitney Williams, 2 News.